So you might be in a situation where your Instagram account is actually banned. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one reason why your particular account can be banned, whether it's a suspension or whatever, there's a lot of things. But let's say you went through and already, requested a review. Let's say you went through and already told Instagram, hey, my Instagram account is basically banned. I'm trying to figure out a way to fix it. Let's say you can't even get it back. Let's say, Instagram told you that, we checked it out, your account's still banned. The first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is trying to contact Instagram once again. So if you truly do feel like your account was banned for no reason, again, it can't just be, that you want your account banned. If your account was harassing people, if it was suspended and going against the terms of service, it's not even worth it. But let's say your account was actually still banned even after a review. The very first thing I would recommend doing is going through and actually contacting Instagram. So just go into Google and then just type in contact Instagram just like this. And what you're going to want to do is click on the Instagram Help Center. Once you're here, it's going to allow you to see a couple of different things. What you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and kind of type in exactly what your issue is. So you can go and type in ban just like this. And what you can do is you're going to see a lot of things. It says, a lot of things, but what we're going to look out for. And there's a lot of different things you can do. You can type in suspension as well. You want to find the one that basically is specific for your particular suspension and why you got it. And you can type in disabled Instagram account right here. The very bottom, it's going to say, was this helpful? You can either type in yes or no, and it says, a lot of things. And what you can do is say the solution doesn't work or whatever. And from this point, it's going to allow you to basically go through and to leave a comment. So now what you can do is you'll see this little link that says report something to Instagram. And what you can do right here is you can let them know, hey, my particular Instagram account was banned. This is my email. This is my username. Is there anything you can do to basically fix this problem? That's another thing you can do to basically fix it. If you have any other support, email from Instagram, that you can always contact them as well. But that's another way you can go to try to fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.